Hello there, welcome to my channel. This episode is all about tax. So first I'm going to start with the question and answer on the misconception of tax, and especially if you own Bitcoin, if you're using Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, or mining Bitcoin, you have to listen to this. Especially nowadays, one of our major exchange, they reported their users on 2013 to 2015, whoever bought some Bitcoin over $20,000 to the IRS. And what does that mean to us? Well, that means that those people are gonna get tracked down on owing the government if they hadn't reported it. Tax. And on top of tax, there's interest, because if they hadn't paid, there's interest they have to pay on top of it. Oh my god, I don't even know how much money would that be. So, alright, let's start with the most popular one. If I didn't move any money out of the exchange, I just brought it back in. What about then? Yes, a tax event occurred and you gained money even though it isn't in your bank account. For tax purposes, it is treated no differently. Oh, that sucks. The exchange doesn't have my details and so can't report me. Should I still be paying taxes on it? If you make gains for which you are required to pay taxes in your country and you don't, you'll be committed tax fraud. Oh, that sucks. And with that said, I understand that we all think Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are very decentralized. They can't really track it. I think especially Monero, right? However, it is recorded when it was bought and when it was when it's sold and stuff on the blockchain. I mean, the detail is recorded. So if they need to truly track you, they have their way. And I just, especially now that I found out, some other people already got in trouble. The 2013 to 2015 people, whoever bought that much Bitcoin and 20,000 Bitcoin that, the IRS is now going after. I rather save the story just for my sake. So I'm just reading off some of the things I looked through. So if I bought some things with Bitcoin directly, do I owe taxes then? Probably, but it depends on your country. If it is considered as a tax event, then you're essentially exchanging Bitcoin for goods or services you may have gained in doing so, and therefore it has to be reported. Say you bought one Bitcoin for $10. Now, say Bitcoin is worth $100, and you buy a $100 gift card. You got a $100 gift card for only $10. That's $90 gain, and gain is taxable. So I'm pretty sure American here is going to make us pay. What if I bought some Ethereum or Litecoin? The answer is potentially another tax event. Think of it as selling Bitcoin back to cash, then buying your other coins with that. That sale might have gains, and so it is treated the same way. Yeah. So I guess I have a lot of recorded. I think I bought a whole lot of Ethereum. No, I bought it from the Coinbase and then exchanged it to Ethereum, and then I used Ethereum to buy coins that I need in the initial coin offering stuff. Oh my god, okay. So it is suggested we get as accountant to take care of all the Bitcoin situation, because we're not familiar with it. But we can certainly try to use the Bitcoin.tax website, because they're actually free for 100 Bitcoin or above. Then they start charging you. But seriously, who has the capacity of having 100 Bitcoin? It's kind of like hard at this point, right? So if you own like less than 100 Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and stuff, they can actually let you use their stuff for free. Then it basically just help you track, and it calculates how much tax you have to pay, and it suggests you to do a forms, which is good. That's why I said to start early so that you won't get caught in doing this, especially right before the tax time, which is often a so busy time. Okay, here's one good question. Do I need to file or pay taxes if I own Bitcoins? Not if you just bought Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency with your own money. However, if you traded, sold, or used any to purchase something, then you might. If you were given Bitcoin as payment, as salary, or as gift or donation, this is income and should be reported as any other income you earned. So, I guess if I just buy Bitcoin and I own it and I don't sell it, then I guess I don't have to worry about paying taxes on it. But since I have miners and my miners are making mining cryptocurrency in my garage, I am screwed. I have to file this taxes situation. So I'm going to get my acts together and my papers together and go through all these forms. So, okay, this is gonna be a next episode. I'm just doing a quick review on, so should we, Bitcoin users, cryptocurrency users, pay tax? In my thinking is that I don't want to, but I feel like it's a must do at this point because I don't want to get in trouble. And I definitely feel that it's a way of the government trying to make money out of it. Same thing like cigarette smoking. They tax heavily on cigarette and they legalize marijuana so that they can tax that too. I feel like they are going to tax cryptocurrency exchange because it is a great profit for our government. As much as they are in debt, you know they will try to find money or a way to get money back. I don't like the fact that they keep printing US dollars. That makes our currency, our US dollar, just so not valuable. Hence why I'm trying to convert most of my saving into the cryptocurrency. And I do think that this is the way to go. But if I need to surrender at this moment because I need to do tax, because I'm afraid the government's gonna be behind me and trying to track my stuff, I'm like, oh God. All right, enough of me babbling about tax, and I hope I answer most of your concerns and questions that you might have, whether you should or you should not pay taxes. I understand that is a very personal choice. I'm just reading off of what is important. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. We should really get a accountant to be involved with this kind of stuff. But since I do TurboTax, I figured I will get educated on what to do first before I gather all my informations first before I consult them. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Give me a thumbs up and a like and chat with me when you have questions. Thanks. Bye.